to one of our most precious jewel, Mr. Ratan Guru. For devoting his entire activities for the legal rights of the oppressed and depressed people and communities, I pray to Almighty for his early recovery of his illness, as he can continue to his devotion for the well-being of the human being. And I congratulate the organizers of this great and important occasion.
সুধীমণ্ডলী, আপনারা জানেন আমাদের প্রিয় রতনদা অসুস্থতায় ভুগছেন। বর্তমানে তিনি চিকিৎসাধীন আছেন, তার শারীরিক অবস্থা বিশেষ ভালো। আমরা অত্যন্ত সৌভাগ্যবান যে তিনি আজ শত অসুবিধার মধ্যে দিয়ে, শত শারীরিক দুর্বলতার মধ্যে দিয়ে তিনি আজ আমাদের এখানে এসেছেন। ওনার শারীরিক অবস্থার কিছু অবনতি ঘটতে যাচ্ছে বা ঘটেছে, ওনাকে খুব তাড়াতাড়ি রিলিজ করতে হবে। আমি সবার কাছে অনুরোধ রাখবো অত্যন্ত সংক্ষিপ্তভাবে আপনাদের শ্রদ্ধা নিবেদন করবেন। আমাদের যে সময়টুকু আছে সেই সময়টুকুর মধ্যে হয়তো তাও থাকতে পারবে। I would request everybody to please come up when their name is called and please speak very shortly. I apologize for this because Mr. Ratan Guru is not feeling very well and he probably has to leave very soon. We are extremely sorry for that. Our next program, next plan goes from Buddhist Council of New York and will be presented by Reverend Dr. Nagaga. Reverend Dr. Nagaga.
Mr. Ratan Guru, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. And it is my great pleasure to be here with you. I'm again DK Nakagaki, currently president of the Buddhist Council of New York, and I'm also vice chair of Interfaith Center of New York. Today, although it seems like there's not much of time, so instead of giving my talk here, I just wanted to summarize what I wanted to say. I've known Ratan Guru since I came to New York, 1994, and I attended Buddhist Council of New York, and so he was always there, and especially before he was more active and energetic too. So, when we have the Vesak celebration together, community for Buddhist community, he's always the one who brings everything. I mean, like food and all the preparations, and so I remember his great food always somehow. And the other things, he's also very active in the community, the Bangladesh community, which helped me, like the Bangladesh like 2002 and also 2012. In the country of Bangladesh, the Buddhist monks are killed and so forth. Those happened. At that time, he organized a group of people to bring a voice and try to help the Buddhist community in the Bangladesh from New York, and which is a very great thing to do. But at the same time, he's a very ecumenical person, and he does a lot of dialogue among the UN, and so which is I always see him also at the United Nations, either Buddhist Council of New York or the United Nations. That's what I always see. And so he was very great person of the interface as well as Buddhist. But one thing I just wanted to quote just one part of on December 4th, 2009, and he said, "I do as much as I can do to help other people. If Muslim or Buddhist or Christian, anything," he said. "After all, they are human beings." And very simple words, but really great. And very I would like to also present a plaque from the Buddhist Council of New York for his our appreciation to his contribution to the Buddhist community. And let me just very, very short sentence. The Buddhist Council of New York humbly presents the certificate of deep gratitude to Ratan Barua in recognition of his outstanding service and dedication to our shared path of the Buddha Dharma. Signed November 16, 2013, Reverend T. Enjitsu Nakagaki, President of the Buddhist Council of New York, and myself. Also, actually, I said I was part of the Interfaith Center of New York, but today actually we have the Executive Director of the Interfaith Center of New York, so I would like to introduce Chloe Breyer, and she's also reading the message from the Sumita Peterson. She has been very, very close to Mr. Barua, and she, unfortunately, she couldn't make it today, so there's a short message from her as well.
Greetings. I bring greetings from the Interfaith Center of New York. It's wonderful to be with you, Ratan. Always such a pleasure. And at the Interfaith Center of New York, Ratan Barua has historically been a spur to action. You have done many things that have inspired us to act for the good, not only of your own people, but other people in New York City as well, so that we are forever grateful. I am reading a message from Professor Kusumita Peterson, who is a co-chair of the Interfaith Center of New York and professor of religion at St. Francis College. Here is the message for Ratan. His giving service to the well-being of all must be compared to that of a bodhisattva, whose boundless heart for all beings is expressed in compassionate action. Its quintessence is the meditation on loving kindness. May all beings be well and be happy and free from suffering. I have been fortunate in my life, writes Kusumita, to meet many great people, and even more, to meet many more people of genuine goodness and people of deep spirituality. Among all of these, Ratan gives up to his name, a jewel and a treasure. It is a gift and a blessing to know him, and on this occasion I wish him to express my deepest gratitude for him and for all that he does and all that he is. So thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Chloe Breyer. Our next plan from Virginia Buddhist Community, Mr. Deepak Barua, Secretary.
We, the Buddhist community of Northern Virginia, respect these outstanding youth leaders in these few sentences. With our deepest appreciation, Mr. Ratan Burua, we honor your exceptional contributions, generosity, sacrifices, and outstanding efforts to address oppression and torture on humanity. Thank you for your tireless dedication in promoting human rights. You have an unparalleled place of importance in our society. We are extremely proud of you. With prayers for Virginia Christian. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Deepak Barua. Our next flag from Bangladesh Center for Community Development in Rockville, Maryland, is being presented by Anupam Barua. Mr. Anupam Barua.
I'm here on behalf of Bangladesh Center for Community Development. So we members of Bangladesh Center for Community Development, BCCDI, are very much honored to be part of this solemn event honoring exemplary humanist Ratan Barua of expatriate Bangladeshi community. His unparalleled social service to humanity, irrespective of grade, color, race, gender, and religion, gave his name an iconic recognition and want to be followed as the leader of the community, the torchbearer of truth, dignity, and justice. Bangladesh Center for Community Development, also known as Bangladesh School of Washington, D.C., sincerely commends this great individual, Mr. Ratan Barua, for rising above individualism and working for the welfare of humanity in time of the most pressing needs. We express our candid gratification for his contribution to humanity, especially to our Bangladeshi expatriate community in North America. Our sincerely anticipation that Mr. Ratan Barua will continue to play his unmatched contribution, thus exemplifying his work, which will encourage others to come forward and work for the community at large. So sincerely, a message will convey from Shamim Chaudhuri, President BCCDI, and Sanjay Barua, General Secretary of BCCDI.
Next flag, Bangladesh Poribesh Network Sayyid Fazlur Rahman Sahib মঞ্চে আসার জন্য অনুরোধ করছি এবং এরপরে আসছেন নিরুপম বড়ুয়া from Boston Buddhist Community.
শুভ সন্ধ্যা। বাবু রতন বড়ুয়া শুধুমাত্র লেখা নেতা ছিলেন না, উনি বাংলাদেশ পরিবেশ নিয়ে কাজ করছেন। উনি আমাদের বাংলাদেশ পরিবেশ নেটওয়ার্কের নিউ সার্কেলের একজন গুরুত্বপূর্ণ সদস্য ছিলেন। আমি একটা সম্মানে পশ্চিমবঙ্গে প্রবাসী বাংলাদেশিদের সকল শুভ কাজের সঙ্গে ব্যতিক্রমী ত্যাগী পুরুষ ও মানবাধিকার নেতা বাবু রতন বড়ুয়ার প্রতি বাংলাদেশ পরিবেশ নেটওয়ার্ক ব্যান গভীর শ্রদ্ধা জ্ঞাপন করছে এবং আশা প্রকাশ করছে যে তার স্মৃতি চির অম্লান থাকবে। নভেম্বর 2013 নিউ ইয়র্ক। এর সাথে আমি আদিবাসী জনগোষ্ঠী বাংলাদেশের পরিবেশ নিয়ে ব্যানের একটি গবেষণামূলক বই আছে, এটিও আমি ওনাকে প্রেজেন্ট করছি, যেন ওনার আশীর্বাদে এই বইটা বহুল প্রচার